So today we're starting with brining. Vinny, can you give me a little bit of a definition of what a brine is and what it might do?
A brine is any type of liquid that you're gonna submerge a protein into that's salted and uses sugar. And the idea is the brine will help the proteins to retain moisture through the cooking process.
That's fascinating. So what ingredients do we need for a brine? What's the basic ingredients?
So your most basic brine that you can make is gonna be essentially salt water. But salt doesn't taste like a whole lot, so you can use whatever you like as far as aromatics and stuff to make your brines. So we like to use, for our turkey brine, we use celery, we use some carrot, onion, and then we use herbs like rosemary and thyme.
We start with what's called the green weight. So if our turkey here weighs 17.94 pounds, which it does, we're looking at 3% salt, 2% sugar, 0.5% black peppercorns, and then the aromatics just till it smells right. Take our already weighed out salt, sugar, onion, carrot, bay leaf, celery, and thyme and rosemary. We're going to dump it into a pot, turn the heat back on, and bring it to a full boil, and then step it down to a soft simmer and let it steep for a while. Once our brine is completely made, we're going to need to put it over our turkey. The most important thing you want to do is you want to let it cool completely. What we usually do is we're going to start with about half water and then the second half ice so that we can chill our brine rapidly and also increase the volume. So with this pot here, which is just under 2 gallons, we're going to add it into a 5-gallon bucket with approximately 20 pounds of ice, which is approximately 2 gallons of water. And we're going to let that melt and cool down, and then we'll simply submerge our turkey down in the brine and let it sit in your refrigerator or in an outside cooler packed with ice under 40 degrees until it is ready. Vinny, how would you describe how long we need to brine a turkey?
Salt will penetrate protein at about ½ an inch per day. And because the turkey also has the body cavity on the inside, that means we're actually brining from the outside and the inside at the same time. So effectively you're brining at approximately 1 inch per day, with the breast being about 2 inches. So you can figure about 2 days to have the whole turkey brined all the way through.